And so, you've turned on your computer and see a blue screen of death with an error message on your monitor. This error often occurs after power outages, security updates, or improper shutdowns. Now we'll restore the system's integrity using standard Windows tools and the command prompt. Method 1. To open the command prompt, we need to enter the recovery environment, and to do this, press and hold the power button until the computer shuts down. Then, turn it on and immediately after Windows starts loading, force shut down the computer again. Repeat this 2 or 3 times until a white message appears on the screen about preparing automatic repair. If automatic repair was unable to repair your computer, click Advanced Options. Click Troubleshoot. Advanced Options. Command Prompt. Sometimes the command prompt doesn't open using this method, and I'll show you a solution for that now. However, if your command prompt already opens, skip the second method and proceed directly to entering commands into the command prompt. Method number 2, using a bootable USB flash drive running Windows 10 or 11. Connect the Windows USB drive to the computer and reboot it. Immediately after the reboot begins, press a certain key on the keyboard to open the boot menu. I pressed the F12 key, for you it could be EB, F8, F9, F11, F12, or some other key. There is no single standard and different computers may have different keys to call the boot menu. The boot menu opens, find the installation USB flash drive in the boot menu, press Enter. The installation menu will open, but we will not install Windows. Next, click Repair your computer. The System Recovery menu opens, click Troubleshoot. Advanced Options. Command Prompt. A command prompt opens. Type diskpart. Press Enter. Now we need to find out what drive letter is assigned to our Windows drive, since the drive letter C in the recovery environment may not match the drive letter in regular Windows. Windows is often assigned to the letter D or E. Type list space volume. Enter. This command shows all drives connected to the computer. I know my Windows drive is 231 GB, and here we see that it is assigned the letter C. Find your Windows drive and note its letter. Now we need to exit diskpart. Type exit. Enter. Type command chkdsk space C:/F. If your Windows is on an HDD, also type space/R. If your Windows is on an SSD, then you don't need to enter this. Press Enter, and the file scan immediately begins. The procedure is complete. Windows scanned the file system and found no problems. Despite this result, I close the command prompt, and try to log into Windows. As we can see, my problem isn't resolved, and if you're experiencing the same problem, let's try another command. A command prompt opened. Type sfc /scannow /offbootdir. Equals C, replace the letter C with your letter, /, space, / offwindir. Equals C, / Windows. Press Enter, and the system scan immediately begins. The time this process takes depends on your computer's speed and the hardware capabilities of your drive. The scan is complete, and corrupted files were found and successfully repaired. My problem is resolved, but if anyone else hasn't seen the same result, then it appears the SFC tool can't repair system files, meaning the Windows component store is corrupted. In this case, use the DISM command, and then run the SFC scan again. Enter this command and press Enter. Then, re-enter the previous command and press enter. Please let me know the result in the comments, and I'll try checking my Windows again. My Windows booted successfully, everything is fine, and that's it for my video tutorial. If my video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment. I'd be happy to answer your questions. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck.